I'm very fortunate and thankful I was exposed to this kind of business na you can earn while studying actually. So, if almost lahat sa atin dito, di ba, na we undergo college education. And for me, actually, I'm an engineer. But I didn't practice it. So, 5 years ako nag-aral. And sa 5 years na yun, of course, gumastos yung mga magulang natin. In my case, yung mga tita ko ay nagpaaral sa amin. And after 5 years, hindi ko naman siya na-practice actually. I'm not blaming the my course or ano, but wala lang, bigla lang akong naiba ng landas.